Today, I'm going to give an overview of a recommendation system they have built using Yelp sample data, pipecone vector database, a TensorFlow recommender model I have trained, and how to use this system to query a Yelp business, get the top 20 matches, and then using the ranking system built using TensorFlow recommender modules. All the information on the GitHub on my YouTube as well, the AI 5-Minute Talk YouTube channel. You can use this tiny URL link to subscribe, https://tinyurl.com/AI 5-Minute Talk. As part of this overview, I'm going to go over the challenge. I'm going to go over the technology we use, and I'm going to show the flow diagram, and at the end, I'm going to do a demo of the overall POC system that I've built. First, if you have any question after this video, please leave on my comment section. I will build and put more video out to help you understand. All the video talk I've been doing is based on the prototype have been used, based on the technology I've learned. And you can use that for your practical use and then get a better way of learning if you like to do it hands-on. There are a couple of major challenges. One is this Yelp's and sample data has about 6 million rows. It takes a long time to prepare the data. If you're using the listwise recommender lossing function instead of pointwise, the Google Colab times out. Second, the open source model for embedding. Embedding is, you can think of a gigantic array that you can look up and then give you the meaning of the words as well as its importance in the sentence. That's what embedding is for, thinking of that way. And then Hugging Face has an open source model called all-mpnet-face-v2. That's one of the best embedding models that can embedding a word to get its meaning as well as its important in the sentence. But it can be better. I think semantic search using this model sometimes can be errorless. So for example, trying to find a restaurant in New York City, return a list of restaurants with New York in their name. That shouldn't be the case. I'm going to go through the flow, so hopefully you get some idea what this POC is about, and then I'm going to talk about the technology as part of that flow diagram. In order to find a top 20 match, let's say you enter finding Italian restaurant in Tampa, you need to inject with first getting the Yelp sample data. Yelp provides 3 sets of sample data. One is the business data that gives you the category of the business. The other one is the user data, it's individual user. And then the last one is the review the user gives to individual business. So for getting the top 20 match, that is only the trim down, filter the set of data that you can use for ranking. In this case, we inject the Yelp sample data only for the business only. So the business data is injected into a pipecone database. For those who doesn't know what pipecone database is about, pipecone database is considered a vector database. A vector database gives you a concept of similarity search. I can talk about similarity search later, but this can help you trim down the number of business that based on the context provided. So you can think about it's a smart filtering. Instead of just filter based on the word match, you actually filter based on the semantic of that sentence the user entered, and then return a filter set of business that the user look for. And then after you get a 20 match, we will use a recommendation system, which is a ranking system, The ranking system is trained using the TensorFlow recommender. Is getting 3 sets of data: the business, the user, and the review. And when you enter a query restaurant in Tampa, you got top 20 match. And then using the trained TensorFlow recommendation system, you rank the top 20 restaurants. Okay,